introduction. Captain Tarun. Captain Tarun. 94.3 Radio 1.
This is 94.3 Radio 1. मेरा नाम तरुण है and my guest today is Nawaz Modi Singhania, somebody who's known as a businesswoman, a painter and of course India's leading health and fitness icon and founder of Body Art Fitness Centers which have been in existence for over 25 years now. और उसी के बारे में खास तौर पे मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ. Nawaz, first of all, for those who may not know about Body Art, how would you describe that? What is it that you do at Body Art? What is it that you have there?
So, over the years, many things have developed and many different genres of exercise have been introduced into the country by me. For example, our Pilates studios, Gyrotonics, we do aqua aerobics, we have an aerial art studio, which is fantastic. You have anti-gravity training and aerial yoga and suspension fitness, things of that sort happening. Our workshop, our cardio workshop, group classes, करीब 25-30 अलग-अलग तरह के classes उधर होते हैं in terms of cardio, strength training, mind, body, all of it. So everything from dance, Zumba, Bollywood, step, boxercise, just everything, name it, it's there.
360-degree fitness, wellness, health. Nawaz Modi Singhania is our guest today on 94.3 Radio 1. I am Tarun. उनसे और भी बातें करेंगे. Stay tuned in. I'm Tarun on 94.3 Radio 1, sitting here with the very beautiful, charming and very fit Nawaz Modi Singhania. Of course, fitness के बारे में जब बात होती है, she's one of the leading icons in the health and fitness sphere. And I would like to ask you, what's your secret of fitness and how do you keep yourself fit?
I teach a lot of our group cardio classes, so I get a lot of that in myself when I'm teaching. That's one. My personal favorite is Pilates. Unka result, you just see it immediately. With every single session, you see a lot of result. And it has a fantastic effect where, you shrink the body down, you become very toned, very petite, very small, and which girl doesn't want that? It sort of has a corset-like effect, where you're being yanked and put back in. So I love that.
Pilates facility के बारे में मैंने सुना था that the one that you have is probably the best in India.
No, it's the best in the world.
Tell us about that. Tell us about that.
So the equipment is Californian, Balanced Body, which is the original school of Pilates, engineered by Joseph H. Pilates, the founder. And California is our mecca. Most of our fitness trends, etc., really originate and come from there. And it's all your equipment based, starting from your reformers, different types of reformers, which is really the mainstay of Pilates, the trapeze Cadillacs, different types of spinal correctors, barrels, ladder barrels, step barrels, C-shapers, so on and so forth. All of them are in our studios.
Wonderful. Health और fitness के बारे में बातें हो रही हैं. मेरा नाम तरुण है and I'm in conversation with Nawaz Modi Singhania. Stay tuned in.
A man who needs no introduction. Captain Tarun. Captain Tarun. 94.3 Radio 1.
This is 94.3 Radio 1. मेरा नाम तरुण है and I'm in conversation with Nawaz Modi Singhania. She's the founder of Body Art Fitness Centers and we are talking to her about fitness, health, and I've also heard that you do a lot of programs for anti-aging. Is that correct?
Very much. We do a lot of anti-aging work and not only... signs of aging, lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, laugh lines, double chin, jowls, this part of the kind of edge of the jawline, hangings, the eyelids, furrows, deep furrows in the forehead, etc. All can be reversed in a single exercise.
Wow.
Depending on what your issue is. And it's not only about the face, it's also about the rest of your body. I mean, hair fall and graying and the body aging. Things moving very south because gravity does us limited favors, let's say. Beyond that, it's all south, right? So, yes, it's all northward work that we do out here and it's fantastic.
Wonderful. I'm Tarun in conversation with Nawaz Modi Singhania. उनसे बातें करते रहेंगे. And if there's anything that you want to ask, any tips that you need, let us know through our Facebook, facebook.com/mjtarun or facebook.com/radio1pune.
And now, a man who needs no introduction. Captain Tarun. Captain Tarun. 94.3 Radio 1.
I'm Tarun in conversation with Nawaz Modi Singhania, a renowned businesswoman. She is also a painter and India's leading health and fitness icon and founder of Body Art Fitness Centers. She definitely wears a lot of hats and stays, really busy. But Nawaz, how do you then manage all this? And then, of course, this work-life balance thing. How does it all happen?
It's all about the diary. I don't know what I'm doing moment to moment. It's all about the diary. As long as you schedule things in, it's all possible. My friend Dr. Swati Peramal of Nicholas Peramal loves to say, and she's so right, that the busier you are, the more you end up doing. And the less busy you are, the less time you've got.
Right.
So that is true. It's a matter of not how much I have to do, but it's a matter of how much I want to do.
This was Nawaz Modi Singhania on 94.3 Radio 1, Pune.